falling to pieces in my room. Are you coming over? That's cool. I could use a little something to do. We could go outside.
Arrived here at Taiwan and meron na rin kaming pocket wifi by Travel Recommends. Again, doon naman kami nagre-rent ng wifi kahit sa Korea. Kami sa may bus sa group tour and time check, umuulan din siya 12 minutes.
Taiwan's or in Chinese, rain is a good policy. Everybody was curious. Young guys love this fish very, very much. So we call this fish. And also because
Hi guys! So papunta kami ngayon sa may night market and it's now 7:25. Yeah, naglalakad kami kasi parang 15 minutes walk pa daw from the parking area. So ito yung Punjang Market, night market. So dito kami kakain ng dinner. Tinuturo ng tour guide namin yung mga masasarap na kainin. So dito kami tinuro ng tour guide namin, si Jason. Chicken yata siya. Ang anghang nito, parang buo yung chili powder niya. Yung kay Shan hindi. Hindi siya spicy. Ngayon yung wagyu naman yung bibili namin. 100 NT. Morning guys, so today is the day 2 here in Taiwan. So 6:54 na and ang call time namin 8 AM. Bumubulong lang ako kasi nandito ako sa hallway. Baka maistorbo ko yung ibang guest. Ang hotel pala namin is Central Park Hotel. Kagabi hindi na ako nakapag-vlog kasi pagod na talaga kami. Kumain lang kami ng dinner dito rin sa room, yung binili sa night market. Tapos after nun, tulog na. Ngayon, magta-transfer kami to another hotel. Etong hotel namin, located siya sa Taichung. Isang gabi lang kami dito. Doon na siya sa may Simending yata. Snack. Ito kaya binili namin. So, ito yung second market nila. Sa loob daw nito, parang may temple. Ano siya? Wet market. Tapos may mga kainan din siya. Alam mo yung, yung sa Estero vibe. Sa may Binondo, ganun siya. Mochi daw yan. Mochi.
Bali, ganito yung pero mamaya na natin ito gagamitin. Ito rin yung red bean.
Bali yung stuffing niya sa loob. Red bean. Yung nasa loob niya.
Nakita mo yung ano sa kanya? Dahan-dahan niyo po siyang press niyo na po.
Tada! Papunta na kami dun sa lunch place namin, which is yung restaurant. According to sa tour guide, hot pot yung kakainin namin. May Don Quixote dito guys. May mga pasalubong na dito, pineapple cake. Ayan, famous sa kanila tong mga pineapple cake. Ayan. Tapos meron ding keychain. Around Simending to guys. Here's our another hotel. Dito na kami magsistay ng 2 nights.
I've got an internet crush. She's not a celebrity. Can't take the hint and give up. My mama told me don't talk to people you haven't met. I guess my mama was right, but it's not 'cause everybody you meet is dangerous, but 'cause they'll break your heart. 'Cause she plays it so cool, making up her own rules, and I'm a loser for thinking I've got any shot in the dark. Now it's hitting me hard. Tell me, what am I supposed to do? 'Cause I've got an internet crush. She's not a celebrity, but she's taken. Still can't help falling in love. Can't take the hint and give up. I've got an internet crush. Internet crush. Internet crush. Internet crush. But if we met somewhere else, who would things be different? Or am I wasting my time? Overanalyzing everything that I never said. Why can't I make up my mind? 'Cause she plays it so cool, making up her own rules, and I'm a loser for thinking I've got.
Hi guys, so we availed the observatory. So akit kami hanggang 89th floor and 600 NTD siya. Nandito kami sa 89 kami hanggang 91 floor. Bumili ako na ito. 100 NTD. Tapos pwede niyo siya makuha. Ito lang. Paano ba? Paano ba buksan? Paano lang ba?
The room, I got a feeling you could be my muse. I hear strange when I see you. You say green, but I see blue. Either way, your eyes the ones I'm looking to. When I'm hell first, falling from heaven, baby. Living on the prayer that you catch and save me.
Hi guys, so nandito na kami sa Gloria Outlet. So it takes about 40 minutes papunta dito mula Everage Duty Free. And madaming mga brands dito. High-end brands, ganon. And halos lahat yata ng mga brands nandito na. Pin-provide kami ng map ng aming tour guide. So dito kami mag-stay for 3 hours and 7 PM yung call time. Ito yung sapatos ni Becune sa Queen of Tears. Seshe. Another budol. Sa Coach naman. Guys, update. Ang sakit na ng paa ko.
Ano lang daw? 5'6". 80. Wag ko.